Good morning, everyone. My name is Jackie Humalon, your reporter. Objectives: to be familiar of the analytical chemistry laboratory materials, to be able to identify them, to learn what they were used for. Graduated cylinder, also known as measuring cylinder or mixing cylinder. With its permanently marked incremental graduations, a graduated cylinder is used to measure volume on a regular basis and is regarded more accurate than a beaker. Volumetric flask. A volumetric flask is a type of laboratory flask that has been calibrated to hold a specific volume at a specific temperature for precise dilution and creation of standard solution. Erlenmeyer flask. Liquids are mixed, heated, cooled, incubated, filtered, stored, and handled in Erlenmeyer's flask. Boiling flask. A Florence flask, also known as a boiling flask, is a form of laboratory glassware named after the city of Florence, Italy, and is named after the city. It is used to store liquids in it. The body of a boiling flask is spherical with a long neck and often a flat bottom. Volumetric piper. The volume of a solution can be measured with a volumetric pipette, a bulb pipette, or a belly pipette that is exceedingly precise. It is calibrated to distribute a certain amount of liquid at a specific rate. Mohr pipette. Also known as graduated pipette, a form of pipette that, while not as precise as a volumetric pipette, is used to measure the volume of the liquid discharge. The distinct volumes are indicated by a series of defined lines. Serological piper is used when moving liquids between receptacles, mixing chemical solutions, or laying reagents with varying densities. Eppendorf micropipette. To measure and move liquid in the lab, Eppendorf pipettes are a typically tool. The cost of this essential equipment means that you'll have to take extra care to keep them in good working order. Glass head value burette. A piece of laboratory equipment used to determine the value of a liquid or a gas in a quantitative chemical analysis. Teflon value burette. In analytical chemistry, it is used to accurately dispense reagents and to measure the volume of a liquid, particularly one of the reagent in a titration. Conclusion: users would all be aware of the value of each item if we knew how important it was, because we'll be using the resources for our own purposes. Knowing their value would be beneficial to us. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye!